Here we can see the sentences are he did done the work. No, this is an incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is he did do the work. Here did means the work was done. So we can see that another sentence is he did explained it. No, this is also an incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is he did explain it. Here did means it was explained. So we can see the third sentence is she did wrote a letter. No, the correct sentence is she did write a letter. So here it means a letter was written. We can see the last sentence is a boy did finished his homework. Here is W means homework. So it's not a correct sentence. Here we can see a correct sentence. A boy did finish his homework. Here did means homework was finished. So we need to know one thing, that after did we use a base form like do, explain, write, finish.